everyone, welcome back to Creatively Marked. I'm Ashley. This one is going to be fun, so stick around because today I'm going to show you how I create simple intros for YouTube videos using beginner-friendly tools without needing some huge production setup. And the intro you're about to see is just a quick example I made so you can see how easy it is to create something clean and professional for your own videos. Now follow along with me as I show you how to create your own professional looking intros in under 5 minutes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to create our intros is go to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to create us an image. For this one, I just gave ChatGPT the prompt to create us a word logo for a pet sitting business, and the character or the mascot will be a Yorkie. And this is what ChatGPT created for us. Okay, so once we have this image, which is super cute by the way, we're going to download it to our computer. Once we have that one downloaded, we are going to go to our AI tool. Our AI tool is HealUAI.video, and I will link it down below so that way you'll have it. Once you're in here, you will have to probably sign up for an account. If you're a new user and you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up for an account. Once you have your account set up, you're going to, on the left hand side, you're going to see where there's some options here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on video. Okay, so we're going to click on video, and then we're going to go into our computer, and we're going to find our file that we downloaded from ChatGPT. So I have my file, and I'm going to tell my AI tool to animate this professionally for an intro to my YouTube video. Oh goodness. Okay, and I am going to choose the AI model VO 3.1, and then that is 120 credits. So I am going to hit create, and then we let the magic happen. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes to create, generating your video. And it just amazes me that there's so much happening in the back end of things. Okay, so now that our project is complete, we're going to hit play. How super cute is that? And that is your intro for your video. Okay, so if you're satisfied with that, which I am satisfied with that, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to download it without watermark to my computer. Then I'm going to take it into CapCut so that you get to see, this is me actually creating this video right now. You get to see the whole thing. So I'm going to take it into CapCut, and we're going to import it. Here's our video. We're going to import it into CapCut. So this one, it needs to be stretched a little bit because on the sides you can see the black. So what we're going to do is we're just going to stretch it a little bit. That way it fills the screen. And here is your intro, guys. And then there you go. And then that is all you need for your intro before your video. See, it's really that simple. You don't have to be perfect to start creating content online. You don't need a huge production team, expensive cameras, or some giant setup before you post your first video. I literally just showed you how to create a professional looking intro using AI tools and ChatGPT in just a few minutes. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until everything is perfect before they start. Don't do that. Start with what you have, learn as you go, and improve over time. And if you want more easy to follow creator tips on starting your YouTube channel, making content, building your brand, and creating videos without big production budgets, make sure you follow along and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.